Today I am going to show you my coilovers and some rear camber arms. I was gonna originally install it myself, but we recently installed Ed's coilovers for his FRS. He got KW coils, which is one of the top brand coils for his car. And it was a pain in the neck to do it because there was a lot of rusted stuff, bolts, and yeah, it was a nightmare. Yeah, I didn't want to go through that, so I guess I'm just gonna fork up a little bit more money and have someone with more experience and actual tools to do it. So I'm gonna bring it to Prospect again, where I got my wheels mounted and balanced. They gave me a pretty good quote, so I'm gonna go and have them do it. But yeah, here's a big review. As you can see, I kind of opened it already just to see what's good, but got some Fortune Auto coilovers. As you can see, it has its own certificate, built on May 5th, 2021, one date after my birthday. Shout out to Mr. Matthew. Fortune Autos, they have a 5-year warranty, I'm pretty sure. Has all the wrenches to tighten and loosen the coils, stickers, goodies, a hat, license plate, dope stuff here. Probably not gonna wear this, but thank you for the hat anyways. But here is one of the coilovers. It's pretty heavy. Ugh. It's like a 12, 10K in the front spring rate and 12K in the back. But this is what it looks like. I'm not sure if this is the left or the right, but basically this is gonna go on top, and then this will be the end link, and then this will be bolted to the where the brakes are, and then this is loosening, unloosening, whatever, this and that. But yeah, I'm just talking doo-doo out of my booty right now, but yeah, bro, this is pretty cool, really heavy, high quality, hand built. But I'm not gonna take all of them out. Maybe I'll take the other ones out, but I'll do quick cinematics because I can't really show y'all from the installation because I'll be working on it. But I'll definitely give a good review when it's fully installed, how it feels compared to the coils I have. I currently have D2 coilovers. As you saw in my previous video with the trunk brace, I think the back left one's blown out as it's like all dirty and stuff previously. So I want to replace those, and it's super rusty and it's like very loud when I drive. But hopefully you invest in good car parts and just gotta take good care of them and keep it rust free, grease it up so it doesn't rust. And 5-year warranty is good. And here is the rear shock and the springs for the back. Just took one of them out. I didn't want to take all of it out. I guess this is how you also adjust it. And then this is the 12K spring rate. The front is 10K, pretty sure, because I wanted something not too hard and not too soft. But I think 10 and 12 is a little bit on the harder side, I think. So it'll be a little bit more bumpy, or sorry, softer side. So it'll be a little bit more bumpy when I drive it, but I was looking through forums, researching, and I would suggest 10 and 12. And I'm thinking of tracking and autocrossing, so I think this should be fine. And other than that, I also got some rear spherical camber arms by Godspeed. I'm probably just gonna keep this the same length as the OEM one. Again, my ride height is also gonna be the same as what's on my car right now. But yeah, bro, this is the unboxing of my Fortune Auto coilovers 500 series. and Godspeed spherical camber arms. Shout out to Alijah from SaikoSpeed. He's been communicating me and basically the plug to buy all these parts. The Fortunatos is by make, so it took a little longer, but he's very good at communicating with me and eventually got my product. So this is about it. Maybe I'll do a little quick cinematics, and then the next day ProSpec will install